You're watching Phone Arena's video preview of Samsung S7 III30. It has a vision similar to the top fashion model Sol and offers the same type of navigation through the touch-sensitive pad. The phone is quite massive, but unfortunately, only its back panel is made out of metal and the plastic front gives it a cheap feeling. The large QVGA display supporting 16 million colors takes the main part of the face of the device, and below it we have the small touch-sensitive pad. We experienced the same problems with the last one as in Sol. The functional buttons and the send end keys are hardware and require a lot of pressure as opposed to touch. That leads to the frustrating touch here, press there. Over the keyboard are located two shortcuts to the menu with all organizing functions and the video calling. On the right side, you will find the camera shutter and the microSD slot, and on the opposite one you'll see the volume rocker and the charger connector. There are no major changes in the interface in contrast to the latest Samsung models. The only noticeable difference can be seen when comparing the touch sensitivity of the pad in S7 III30 and Sol. Now you can store themes for it as well, and there's even a preloaded one where all arrows are of different color. Unfortunately, you cannot create your own similar one. Pressing the central part of the pad when at the home screen now opens the shortcut menu with 12 positions, which can lead to a group of options from the main menu, e.g. settings, and or to features one step below them, for example display settings. You are able to search in the phone book by digit input, and the filtering is done by number. If you want to search for matches in the names, you have to select the first one from the options. The phone is equipped with all organizing functions such as alarms, calendar, notes, and calculator. The multimedia features include a 3-megapixel camera with autofocus and flash, whose functions are accessible through the touchpad. You also have the standard music player, FM radio, and video playback. We will find out about the S7 III30's performance in all aspects in our in-depth review of a final unit.